I will keep making episodes because I have 320 shots, so I'll make a couple of eps. Gun part. Oh, I forgot I was recording. Well, what's up, guys? It's me. I'm gonna be recording again. You guys are facing the wrong way. We're gonna go gangsters, I guess. Nothing else. I have my whole inventory. I just gotta keep it next to me, and let's go be gangsters. I'll give you guys a head view of what I'm seeing. Won't really focus so it looks better. I'm exactly facing you the way I point my head. Yeah, Jesus Christ, Jason Bourne. I have the gun next to me, my finger on the trigger. Once I shoot this off, kids are gonna start running. It's like GTA 5. I'm Franklin. I'm gonna go shoot some kids. Boy, I'm gonna get 5-star. Boogaloo. That's how gangsters. No, I know how gangsters talk. Dog. Yo, dog. What's up, dog? Dog, homie, dog. Dog, homie. You're my homie, dog. Yup, dog. Okay, there's a bunch of insects flying around. So I'm gonna put on my face mask. Oh my god, there's a spider, freaking tarantula. Sorry, guys. Butt cheek. Okay. My inhale's a bug, so let me just get it out of my mouth. Okay, we're good. Okay, dog. I'm gonna go shoot this cap gun. I have to get away from this propane tank. Yeah. Nobody mess with me. I live up in the hood. Right? Yeah, let's go do a metal. Let's do some. Everybody, we're gonna do a cowboy episode. That's it, buckaroo, you're dead. Bam. But what did I do? Everything. No, please don't shoot me. Shot fire. Time to tell my wife. I'll tell her. Well, after I shoot her. Oh, you're lucky. She's dead too. Oh, I hate you. You're the worst criminal ever. I thought sheriff's supposed to win at every cop show or whatever. Fire off one last shot and finish me. I'm gonna let you rot, but I'm gonna finish your wife off. Bow. Mr. John Sheriff was a good sheriff. Fire your shots off, boys. Bow. Oh, say, oh, shaken, oh, she, my mommy. I'm not copywriting this song. He was a good soul manager. He paid me well. And that's every cowboy show. I'm out of ammo too. Well, time to go refill. I'll just bring my ammo kit. Hitman 47. Hide the gun behind my back. No, Hitman just hides it in front of his face. He's like, everybody's gonna die tonight. Everybody's gonna, oh, I just got stabbed. I just got freaking stabbed. Yeah, shrap man, you got stabbed. And that's every criminal show for you. Guys, I will do a role play. Criminal role play. Okay, guys. Are you ready for this role play? You guys are gonna listen. This is gonna be Cap Gun Part 2, Episode 1. Bam! Let's escape the popo. Got a cap gun. I robbed the store. Had no ammo. I'm gonna go refill my house. I'm gonna go refill, boy. I can't run because I'm slow. So I'm just jogging. I'm jogging. Okay, this is kind of getting annoying. You guys want to watch me play a Let's Play? Pizza! Listen, use this one. Not place, card, pizza, touch, back of oven. Yeah, that's right. Cap Gun, game over!